My name's Katrie Lowe, and what do I call myself? I am an urban explorer. That's my name on my business card. So I'm actually traveling around the world at the moment, exploring different cities to see urban developments up close. So I meet locals, I talk to experts, I see what works, what doesn't work, and I blog about it. Well, I started my career as an engineer, working on water infrastructure, and that was pretty digital, using things like CAD and modelling software and engineering programs. But I became more interested in big questions like how can we make cities more sustainable and how can we make cities more affordable? Cities are fascinating because big cities are the future. Billions of people are pouring into them, creating these new challenges no one's ever faced before. There's experiments all over the world trying to solve these problems. So for the last 2 years I've gone in this crazy adventure, visiting cities from Europe to North America and South America, just learning and posting online. So I guess now my career is digital in a whole different way, because I'm researching and writing and connecting with people through the internet, and that's creating real life work opportunities. Next, I'm going to work for these programmers in Berlin, and we're using blockchain technology to try to make housing prices more fair and transparent. And so it's a really cool idea. Isn't it weird if I'm saying it's a really cool idea?
No, not at all.
Great.